Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am presenting 100 cooking recipe in my channel, and this recipe is specially for Easter celebration. I would like to thank all my subscribers and viewers for the extended support. Today's recipe is yellow curry, which is originated from Thailand. Along with this curry, I prepared Thai Jasmin Rice. You will find this recipe in the end of the video, or I have given the link in the description box below. So let's start with the preparation. In a pan, add oil. Once oil is heated, add onions. I have taken shallots, red onion and yellow onion. The combination of onions helps to enhance the taste of the curry. Once the onion translucent, add chopped ginger and garlic and fry until the raw smells eliminates. For more aroma, add lemongrass. Once all the mixture fried well, add yellow curry paste. Here I am using half packet, and remember, do not add extra salt because curry paste is having sufficient salt. Fry the paste around 2 to 3 minutes in a medium flame. Now add 1.5 lb of boneless chicken and fry with curry paste. Add fish sauce 1 to 2 tablespoons, and remember, fish sauce also having salt. Give a good stir. Add chicken broth around 50 ml, and please note chicken broth also having salt. Let's move on to the next step, adding coconut milk. Whenever you prepare Thai cuisine, prefer always Thai coconut milk, because it's my experience when you cook yellow curry with Thai coconut milk, it gives more taste than any other coconut milk. Here it is your choice. You can add any vegetable or you can skip this part. However, I am adding bamboo shoots. Let us give some more twist. I am adding 1 teaspoon of sugar and 1 teaspoon of chili paste. Mix well and cook for 2 minutes. If your curry want more aromatic, then add fresh curry leaves. And finally, add boiled potato. I also added chicken broth to adjust the consistency of the curry. Now mix well and allow the curry to boil around 5 minutes in medium flame. Now friends, yellow curry is ready to serve. If you like this recipe, then please give a thumbs up and subscribe my channel. Happy Easter everyone. Thanks for watching and bye-bye.